Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. In the video today, I'm going to be sharing with you all the second loungewear ideas, which are top and short set. Basically, top is really similar with sleeve dress but shorter. If you are not still watch episode sleeve dress, I will put the link over here and you can check it out. And short is also super easy and simple to make. Overall, this set is extremely easy to sew and super comfortable to wear. Okay, let's get started. I also picked up silk material for this set. I love silk because it's really light, cool and smooth when I touch it. I chosen black for short and white with gold detail on it for top. Because this top pattern is on small seam with sleeve dress, so please check last episode to see how to draft. And now I'm going to stitching both dots on the main front and lining front. I also cut down string with 2 cm width and fold it in half, stitching them together and turn the right side out. Then I'll cut it to 2 strings with 45 cm length and 2 pieces with 8 cm. Next, I'm going to thread each small pieces through its small loop. And now, insert lining part into main top and put the long string between them at the front side, and small pieces with a loop to the back side, and sew them together. After sewing, I'm going to cut the excess fabric and understitching around the neckline to make it look nice and even. Now I'll thread the long string through number A, through loop, and through number A again, then stitching to close. Lastly, fold the bottom double time inside and sew hem to finish top. Moving on to short, I'm going to connect both leg panels along the crop curve, then place the middle seam on top of each other and sew along the inner sides and crook. Next, I'll fold the bottom double time inside and sew hem. Now, I cut some elastic to fit around my waist and connect the end of the elastic. I'm going to pin the elastic into 4 points of waist of short and overlocking. And then fold it inside and sew them together to finish short. Here are the final look. Hope you like these summer loungewear ideas and see you next Thursday for news ideas. Bye!